Yo, what's up everyone? It's Renee. We've all been there, buried under a mountain of textbooks and notes, pulling all-nighters to cram for that big exam. But what if I told you there's a way to make studying smarter, not harder? AI tools are changing the game for students, offering a way to boost your understanding, organize your thoughts, and even make studying kinda fun. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI for students. We'll be checking out some of the coolest AI-powered tools that can help you tackle those tough subjects, streamline your workflow, and maybe even get you excited about learning again. Whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out, this video is your guide to using AI to crush it in the classroom. So grab your notebooks, fire up those laptops, and let's get started. Alright, first up, let's talk about ChatGPT. You might have heard of it. This AI language model is blowing up right now, and for good reason. It's revolutionizing the way we approach learning and problem solving. Think of it like having a super smart tutor available 24/7, ready to assist you with any academic challenge you face. Let's say you're stuck on a math problem. Instead of spending hours flipping through textbooks or waiting for your teacher to be available, you can just type your question into ChatGPT. And the crazy part is, it doesn't just spit out the answer. It breaks down the problem step by step, explaining the concepts and showing you how to get to the solution. This way, you not only get the answer but also understand the process behind it.
But it's not just for math whizzes. ChatGPT can help with pretty much any subject, from science to history and everything in between. Need help writing an essay? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, structure your arguments, and even suggest improvements to your writing style. It's like having a writing coach at your fingertips. Foreign language giving you a headache? ChatGPT can translate phrases, explain grammar rules, and even have conversations with you to practice your speaking skills. It's a versatile tool for mastering new languages. It's like having a personalized language exchange partner right in your pocket. And the best part? ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your needs and providing helpful responses. It adapts to your learning style, making it an invaluable resource for students everywhere.
Next up, let's talk about organization. We've all been there, drowning in a sea of notes, struggling to remember what we even learned last week. It's a common scenario for students and professionals alike. That's where Notion AI comes in. This tool is designed to help you manage and streamline your notes effortlessly. Notion is already a productivity powerhouse, but with the addition of AI, it's like having a personal assistant for your notes. It takes your organization to the next level. Imagine this. You're in history class, and your teacher is dropping knowledge bombs left and right. The information is coming at you fast and furious. You're frantically trying to jot everything down, but it's impossible to capture it all. The stress of missing out on important details is real. With Notion AI, you can record the lecture or upload your handwritten notes, and the AI will transcribe everything for you. This means you won't miss a single detail.
But it doesn't stop there. The capabilities of Notion AI go beyond just transcription. Notion AI can then summarize those lengthy notes into key points, making it easier to digest the information, highlighting the most important information. This feature ensures that you focus on what truly matters. It's like having Cliff's Notes for your entire class, created automatically. Imagine the time you'll save. No more wasting hours rereading pages and pages of notes. Your study sessions become more productive and less stressful. Notion AI lets you focus on the most important concepts, making review sessions way more efficient. You can zero in on what you need to know. And if you're a visual learner, Notion AI has you covered there too. It offers tools to help you visualize your notes. It can create mind maps and other visual representations of your notes, making it easier to connect ideas and see the big picture. This holistic approach enhances your understanding and retention of the material.
Finally, let's talk about Quizlet. Flashcards are a classic study tool for a reason. They work. They help reinforce memory through active recall and spaced repetition. But creating flashcards can be a tedious and time-consuming process, often leading to frustration and burnout.
Quizlet's AI features take the pain out of flashcards, making it easier than ever to test your knowledge and identify areas where you need extra practice. It automates the creation process, saving you valuable time. Just upload your study materials, whether it's vocabulary words, historical dates, or scientific formulas, and Quizlet will automatically generate flashcards for you. This means you can focus more on studying and less on preparation.
But here's the really cool part. Quizlet uses AI to track your progress and identify your weak spots. It provides detailed analytics on your performance. It then creates personalized study plans, focusing on the areas where you need the most help. This ensures that your study sessions are efficient and targeted. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly which concepts you're struggling with and tailors your study sessions accordingly. This personalized approach can significantly improve your learning outcomes.
No more wasting time on things you already know. Quizlet's AI makes sure you're studying smarter, not harder. It optimizes your study time by focusing on your weaknesses. And if you're getting bored with traditional flashcards, Quizlet offers a variety of game-based learning modes to keep things interesting. These interactive modes make learning fun and engaging. From matching games to gravity mode, Quizlet makes studying feel less like a chore and more like a game. This gamified approach can help maintain your motivation and interest in the subject matter.
So, there you have it. 3 powerful AI tools that can help you level up your study game. Whether you're struggling with a specific subject, need help staying organized, or just want to make studying a little less painful, there's an AI tool out there for you.
And the best part is, this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and helpful tools for students in the future. So embrace the power of AI and unlock your full learning potential.
Now, I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite study hacks? Drop your tips and tricks in the comments below and let's help each other out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. See you in the next one.
With these AI tools, students can study smarter, not harder. Give them a try and see how they improve your study sessions.